In these times of uncertainty and fear, you can still continue your preparation at home. We at Clat Possible are starting with our online crash course program called Bolt Online. This online crash course program is custom made to suit your needs to study at home. The good news here is that all our great mentors are now going to be at home on your computer screens, tutoring you personally for your program. These will be live classes. These live classes will stream live into your homes. Every class will have concepts done through a PPT, through a great online program and a platform, which will actually make you feel that you are in a classroom learning. Secondly, each class will be accompanied with a class handout that will be made available to you during the online class, which you can solve in the time given to you while your teacher will wait for you to finish the sheet. And after that, the sheet analysis followed by doubts. This capsule program consists of almost 140 hours of classes with concepts and practice sheets. So you just have to be at home in front of your laptop, iPad or your computer screen, and all you need is a 2 Mbps speed internet. Also, if you are a part of our Crash Course Online, the live online Crash Course program, you will also be getting recorded video lectures as a part of your program. So you can go over each lecture as many times as you want. The links for the online Crash Course program called the Online Bolt will be attached with the video on the screen below. Just click on that link, get details of those programs, call any of our Clat Possible centers who will be happy to help you. All the best for your Clat preparation. Thank you.